Okay, hello, good afternoon, everyone. The Honorable is Miss Aulia and dear friends. First of all, let us thank God Almighty because it is by His grace that we can gather here in a good health to carry out our group presentation. Allow me to introduce myself. My name is Adina Bila and I will be your moderator for today. Our topic today is describing graph and chart. Before the presentation, we start the quiz time. But before we beginning the presentation, we would like to start with a short quiz session to make the atmosphere more interactive and to test your initial understanding of our topic. Okay, next. Okay, for the first, what is the best process to describe a rapid increase in data? A. Remain stable. B. Gradual decline. C. Sharp rise. D. Slight dip. Yang mau jawab boleh angkat tangannya atau boleh langsung buka keluar aja.
Sama-sama.
Boleh, Prinsawa silahkan.
C. Sharp rise.
Okay, the answer is correct. For number 2, which of the following is used to describe a discourse? A. Soar. B. Plummet. C. Surge. D. Climb.
Aku
Yang mau jawab boleh langsung silahkan.
aku mau.
Iya boleh mau silahkan.
Jawabannya B, Plummet.
Okay, the answer is correct. For number 3,
Kena angin.
for number 3 is a line guard is best used to show A. Proportion of a wall. B. Trend over time. C. Comparison between items. D. Hierarchical relationship.
Patricia,
Boleh silakan Patricia.
Karen.
answer is B, trends over time.
Okay, the answer is correct. Okay, number 4. What does a bar chart usually show? A. Distribution of data. B. Proportion of a wall. C. Comparison between categories. D. Relationship between variable.
Aku mau.
Boleh, silakan.
Jawabannya C, comparison between categories.
Okay, the answer is correct. For number 5, the expression fluctuate means A. Increase steadily. B. Remain unchanged. B. C. Go up and down irregularly. D. Drop dramatically.
Aku mau.
Boleh, silakan.
Jawabannya C. Go up and down irregularly.
Okay, thank you to everyone who joined the quiz session. We hope it gave you a little hint about today's topic. Okay, now let's move to the presentation. It will be delivered by the following speaker. First is Najwa Aulia Putri will present about difference between a chart and graph.
Okay, thanks to moderator, I will explain about tentang difference between iCard and iGraph. iCard is a visual reception of information or data. Charts can be standalone visuals or grouped to create infographics, dashboards, and other more complex data visualizations. iGraph is a cardless material equations to visualize data and analyze relationship trends. For a card to be a graph, not another type of class, it must involve a material analysis generate using the X and Y X to plot data points. Diagram is card. Diagram can depict both abstract charts are specially designated to quantitative information and are built from the test card often help analyze trends, compare figures, and interpret numerical data in a straightforward visual manner. Diagram can give both abstract and structured information with necessary tracing on numerical data. They has relationship, complex, and properties in a visual format. Di sini menjelaskan tentang perbedaan antara bagan dan grafik. Bagan adalah representasi visual dan informasi atau data. Bagan dapat berupa visual yang berdiri sendiri atau dikelompokkan untuk membuat infografis, dashboard, dan visualisasi data lain yang lebih kompleks. Grafik adalah bagan yang menggunakan persamaan matematika untuk memvisualisasikan data dan menganalisis hubungan dan tren agar bagan menjadi grafik dan bukan jenis bagan lainnya. Bagan harus melibatkan analisis matematika umumnya menggunakan sumbu X dan Y untuk memplot titik data. Di sini ada diagram dan bagan. Diagram dapat menggambarkan informasi abstrak dan terstruktur tanpa harus bergantung pada data numerik. Diagram menekankan hubungan konsep dan proses dalam format visual. Bagan dirancang khusus untuk menyajikan informasi kuantitatif dan buat dari kumpulan data. Bagan seringkali bantu menganalisis tren, membandingkan angka, dan menginterpretasikan data numerik dengan cara yang luas dan visual. Oke, sekian dari saya kembalikan ke moderator.
Okay, thank you to Najwa Aulia Putri. For the next speaker is Sulis. Let's give them a warm round and applause.
Okay, thank you for moderator. Hypergraph and diagram hierarchical overview. Tests can be separated into two main categories, numerical and non-numerical. Threads are the numerical type. Data visualization, dashboard, timelines, processes cards, category cards, numerical cards, and non-numerical cards. Numerical cards, data visualization based on numbers, include grapes, namely line grapes, bar grapes, and plots and alt grapes by card. Non-numerical cards show the processes relationship non-numerical cards show processes relationship or categories without focusing on numbers. Among other, flowcharts, Gantt cards, maps, network diagram, Venn diagram. How to present graphs and diagram? The most efficient way to present cards and graphs is to follow this formula. 1. Introduce the graph, add a descriptive title and the top of the slide. 2. Identify the variables. Identify the variable by using color, size, and location concerning the card. 3. Highlight key info. Highlight key info using subtle and not subtle design techniques to bring attention to specific areas of the card. 4. Share conclusion. Share conclusion in small text buckets below the card legend. Ini contohnya ya. Di sini ada title atau judul, terus ada icons, terus ada ini, terus ada conclusion-nya. Baik, selanjutnya ada sesi ice breaking.
Hei, ayo kita ice breaking. Caranya tebak ini hewan apa? Kalau yang tahu, angkat tangan ya.
Kelelawar.
Bat.
Apa BT? Apa BT?
Bet, kelelawar.
Coba kita lihat bener gak?
Bener.
Ada yang tahu ini apa?
Beruang.
A,
Bir.
A,
Bir.
Apa?
Bir.
Bir, bir,
Bir.
bir, bir.
A.
Benar. Lagi.
B,
Ini apa ini?
B,
Bi. 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 Bi.
B,
Bi.
B,
Tadi.
B.
B, 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 B.
Bi.
Beard. Beard.
Ini apa ini?
C,
C,
beard.
C,
Hah?
C,
yang
C.
C, C.
Si.
Beard. 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 Beard.
C, benar.
Ball. Perungkat. Ini banteng. Bull. Bull.
Ini apa?
Bull.
Bull.
Red Bull. Banteng merah. Apa ini? Oh, buffalo. Donkey. Donkey. Buffalo. Buffalo apa sih? Buffalo hewan apa? Buffalo. Ntar lagi. Ntar lagi.
Sekian ice breaking dari kelompok kami. Selanjutnya akan dilanjutkan oleh materi. Vocabulary to describe graph. Introducing the graph or table or pie chart or bar chart or diagram. One gives information about or on, provides information about or on, shows, illustrates, compares, explain why, describes, draws the conclusion of a survey. Example, the pie charts provide information on the proportion of males and females working in agricultural sector. Types of change: largest, to rocket, to soar, to leap. Nouns: a rise of, an increase of, a growth of, a peak of, a surge of. Verbs: to rise, to increase, to surge, to grow, to peak. Example: a rise of prices. Jadi, garis itu untuk diagram yang naik gitu. Selanjutnya, large falls atau plummet. Noun of a falling or decrease in, a dip in. Verbs: to fall, to decrease, to decline, to dip, to dive. Example: a fall in prices. Jadi si large falls itu untuk diagram yang menurun. Sekian dari saya kembalikan kepada moderator.
Oke, thank you, Sulis. Dan sekarang adalah materi yang akan disampaikan oleh saya sendiri. Okay, types of change. Types of change, fluctuation. The chart show the prices and move irregularly, which is called fluctuation of prices. Nah, jadi grafik itu memperlihatkan bahwa harga bergerak tidak stabil. Ini disebut fluktuasi harga. Nah, the noun is a fluctuation of and a variation in. Verbnya yaitu to fluctuate and to vary. Okay, next. Describing of change. This slide describes how to fast or strong the change is using adverbs and adjectives. Jadi, slide ini menjelaskan seberapa cepat atau besar perubahan itu menggunakan kata keterangan dan kata sifat. Adverbsnya sharply, suddenly, rapidly, dramatically, significantly, considerably, markedly, widely. Example, the prices rose sharply. Adjectivesnya sharp, sudden, rapid, dramatic, significant, considerable, marked, wild, spectacular, steep, substantial. For example, there was a considerable growth. And next. Oke. Jadi digunakan kata kerja slightly atau sedikit, gently atau perlahan, gradually secara bertahap, steadily dengan mantap, marginally secara marginal. For example, the prices increased modestly. Artinya harga naik secara sederhana. For adjectives yaitu slight, gentle, gradual, steady, modest, marginal. For example, there was a gradual decline. Artinya terdapat penurunan secara bertahap. Okay, next. Okay, this chart shows the change in the value of the euro against the US dollar between January and October of 2021. As you can see, in January and February, the value of €1 fluctuated between 1,38 US and $1,45 by March. The fluctuation stopped and the value settled down. During the month of April, the value of the euro plunged. It reaches its lowest point of 1,20 at the end of April. During May, the value of the euro recovered slightly at the first, but then more sharply between the middle and the end of the month. Throughout the month of June, the value of the euro remained constant at a value of 1,37, but the change in January and in July, when the value euro from 1,37 to 1,66 due to fears about the level of U.S. government debt. In August, the dramatic rise level of the living of continued to the month of September, where the euro's value peaked at 1,68, but during October the value fell back. Nah, jadi si grafik itu nunjukin grafik perubahan nilai euro terhadap dolar AS dari Januari hingga Oktober 2010, di mana pada Januari sampai Februari nilai euro berfluktuasi antara 1,38 dolar dan 1,45 dolar. Pada Maret, fluktuasi berhenti dan nilainya menjadi stabil. Kemudian pada April, nilai turun drastis hingga 1,20 dolar. Pada Mei, nilai pulih perlahan lalu naik tajam di akhir bulan. Juni stabil di 1,37 dolar. Pada saat Juli, naik tajam ke 1,66 dolar karena kekhawatiran utang pemerintah AS. Pada bulan Agustus, nilainya menjadi stabil. Kemudian pada September, terjadi puncak yaitu 1,68 dolar. Kemudian pada turun kembali pada bulan Oktober yaitu sebesar 1,48 dolar. Okay. Please pay attention to each speaker, and if you have any question, feel free to write them down. We will have a Q&A session after the presentation. Kalau misalkan ada yang mau bertanya, boleh silakan. Now we would like to open the Q&A session. Please feel free to ask or give any comments. Ada yang mau bertanya, Kak? Silakan.
Aku Kak Cite.
Boleh, silakan, Maul.
Uh, how do you describe a smile? Describe in the data on the graph.
Oke, thank you. Ada yang mau bertanya lagi?
Dari eta mah, bisa mah macam gas langsung.
Aku mau
Silakan dulu.
what does the frame fluctuate mean when describe a card or graph?
Oke, thank you. Satu
Ah.
pertanyaan lagi bertanya, silakan.
Aku izin bertanya.
Boleh, silakan Patricia.
What type of chart is used to show trends over time?
Okay, thank you for the question.
Aku mau jawab yang Maul.
Ya, boleh.
The answer